You see that bird over there? It's not something we usually chase. Come on. Come on. Anyway, we're going to practice our directions this morning. Are you ready, Sky? Wait. So, counterclockwise. Wait. Get it up. Come on. Wait. Wait. Get it up. Wait. Sky, wait. That's it. Go. Go. She's thinking that's not a goose, boss. That's some other weird bird. Come on, wait. Get it up. Wait. Wait. There, she's gonna get it up.